discipline is recognized as strict rule that force you to fit in something unnatural form against your intrinsic being, but in reality is the totally opposite. Hey guys, I'm Koji. I'm trying to tell you something that might help you live in a better life, and my daughter is just crying in the downstairs, so I'm gonna hold hard and continue recording because she's coming back and forth and she keep coming to this room, so I just keep continuing. So today's topic is about discipline, and there are various things. There is works and various deeds to make your life better. For example, the thing and the deeds is such as magical charms, spiritual works, practical routines, and so on. And though, through my experience, all these things are fine, I think, and they are somewhat seem to help if I try to see it to be, and but they might be ignorable. The effect is really tiny, or it may be really faint. And one thing I can't deny the effectiveness of is discipline. Being disciplined is something really effective. Here's why. And we are all born with as a pure and perfect form, and as we grow, we tend to have unnatural habits that distract our body and mental and mind. Irregular wake up time, irregular going bed time, and overeating or drinking, a poisonous thing intaken like an alcohol or smoking, and unhealthy foods, lack of exercise, mindlessness, and detachment, ruminating, indulgence. Do you think any of these apply to you? Do you think it's natural thing to happen? Yes, maybe it's natural for how we live today's world. However, think critically. Do you think eating unhealthy is a natural thing? I don't think so. Our natural life is unnatural right now. You know what I mean? Natural life in this today's world is totally unnatural. That is my thesis. Now, being disciplined is not a contort you. It's to restore you. Okay? It's totally opposite. Discipline is not to force you to put it in a small box so that you can, behave like a certain shape, perfect shape, or but it's not. Discipline is to restore you. Discipline is not to contort you. If you are not, so if you're not disciplined, you're melting down, you're fading away, and you are getting wasted. It's time of restoration, and be disciplined is a preparation for any other method to make your life better. Okay, that's a preparation. Being disciplined is a preparation. Hold on. 当てちゃった。一緒にやさ、パパ怒ってるよ。分かった。お兄ちゃんめっちゃ嫌なことしてる。分かった。So, regular wake-up time, and moderate eating, and healthy foods, and daily exercise, and mindfulness, and attachment, decisive, engaging in restraint. This is the natural way you live. Honestly, I told you, and I'm telling you, this is a natural way to live. Being disciplined is totally, totally natural as a human being, not this word habit. And those are very destructive habits all around our world. Being disciplined is a natural way to live, and that unleash your pure and perfect ability you originally have. ちょっと待ってあとちょっとあとちょっと So, if you want a better life, you need to restore your pure and perfect state of being, and that is being disciplined. And discipline helps you. And definitely, I will give you my words. Discipline helps you. Other methods work much better when you are disciplined. If you feel stuck with nothing working, it's worth try it. Be disciplined and transform you from unnatural to natural being, and better life follows. Honestly, that is true. That is true to me through my experience. It works, and it works better than anything else. And that is my message today. And thank you for listening. I love you guys. Better habits, better life. And I see you in the next video. Peace.